How to use Suno AI to turn your voice into a song. The first things first is access or open up any preferred web browser you want to use. Now in this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now once you have access to your browser, just head directly to suno.com. And I believe that you do not have to log into any of the accounts right here for you to be able to use it. So as of the moment, we're currently using this site as guest. So once you're here, this is going to be your Suno AI homepage or dashboard. What you want to do next is head over to create. So this is usually below home, just click on create. And in here, this is your current workspace. So as you can see, I have added or I have created like just random songs. It's turning my voice into songs. So this is your tools. Uh, This is where you can add your own lyrics. You can change the style of music. Persona is going to be a specific genre that you'd like to choose. And then you can add title, and these are your current workspaces. So let's go ahead and try to create a song with our voice into Scratch. So all you have to do first is to upload audio. It's just going to be this one right here. Click on that and just have to agree to terms. So this box right here, this is where you can upload your pre-made or pre-recorded audio that you already have from your computer. You can go ahead and click and drag it here, and you can also click on select file. You just have to find where you have added or where you have put your audio. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can record audio or a raw audio. So let's try to do that. Click on that. Now in here, you can go ahead and trim it. This is going to be your own choice. You can trim this one. But if you're good with this audio, just go ahead and save without trimming. So in here, you can add your own lyrics, and you can also try to use existing lyrics that has already been made. The style of music, you can change those, and also the title of the song. And that's how you make a song from your voice on Suno AI.